अरू के मुर्दाए मशरिक में खूने जिंदगी दौड़ा, समझ सकते नहीं इस राज को सीना ओ फाराबी. You are living in a miraculous time. Impossible things have started to happen. There is new blood flowing within the veins of the East, which is the Muslim world. The Muslim youth has awakened. There is new start, there is new dawn, and West could have never predicted it. They thought that Islam as Muslim world is dead and it can't be bring back to life. But that's exactly what has happened. The Muslim have risen. So it's new beginning and it's your beginning. So get up and discover new things and believe in miracles, believe in yourself and believe in the power of Allah.